Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Stanley Fatmax Spotlight Charger is probably one of the most essential accessories for anyone relying on their powerful Stanley Fatmax Spotlight for work, camping, or emergencies, ensuring you're never left in the dark due to a depleted battery and providing a reliable power source to keep your Spotlight operational when you need it most, making it a crucial component for maintaining the functionality of your lighting equipment. Number 5. Stanley Fatmax SL10 LED Spotlight. Introducing the Stanley Fatmax SL10 LEDs, a rechargeable spotlight designed for ultimate brightness. It delivers an incredible 2200 lumens with its ultra-bright LED. Never worry about power again. This spotlight features an internal lithium battery that's easily rechargeable via the included USB cable. Experience true convenience with its collapsible pivoting stand. The trigger lock allows for effortless hands-free operation, keeping your hands free for other tasks. Keep going for longer. Enjoy up to 10 hours of illumination on the low setting, perfect for extended use. Know your power at a glance. The LED indicator provides a quick and easy reference to check the battery charge level. What we like. This spotlight offers incredible brightness and extended use. Its collapsible stand and trigger lock are perfect for hands-free tasks. If you need a powerful, reliable light for extended periods, like camping or emergency preparedness, this is your go-to. What people say. The spotlight has a powerful beam that illuminates a wide area. It is very durable and can withstand rough handling. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several hours on a single charge. Number 4. Stanley Fatmax Spotlight USB Charging Cable. Keep your Stanley Fatmax Spotlight powered up with this essential charging cable. It's designed for a perfect fit, ensuring your light is ready when you need it. This cable features a USB-A to USB-A connector, specifically designed for Stanley Fatmax Spotlights with a USB charging interface. Please ensure your device has this type of port for compatibility. It's compatible with a range of Stanley Fatmax LED torch models, including the SL10 LEDs, TL450, and many others listed. Check the compatibility list to confirm it works with your specific model. With built-in over-temperature, short-circuit, over-voltage, over-current, and overload protection, charging your spotlight is safe and worry-free. It ensures a stable power supply every time. This package includes both a 5V AC USB wall charger and a 5 feet USB-A to USB-A cable. You'll have everything you need to charge your device conveniently. We stand behind our product with a 30-day refund policy and a 12-month warranty. Enjoy peace of mind with your purchase, knowing we're here to help if any issues arise. What we like. This replacement cable is specifically designed for USB-A charging ports on many Stanley Fatmax models. It includes robust safety protections for peace of mind. If your original cable is lost or damaged and your spotlight uses a USB-A input, this is a safe and reliable replacement. What people say. The spotlight is very bright and has a long-lasting battery. It's durable and can withstand rough handling. The charger is efficient and charges the spotlight quickly. Number 3. Stanley Fatmax Spotlight Charger Replacement. Ensure your Stanley Fatmax Spotlight stays powered with this reliable replacement charger. It's designed to perfectly fit your flashlight. This charger is compatible with a wide range of Stanley flashlight models, including the SL10 LEDs and SL10 LED SL. It provides a secure and stable connection. Enjoy convenient charging with its USB plug end. Please note that this is a USB charger and does not feature a barrel tip. Charge with confidence thanks to advanced safety features. It includes protection against short circuits and overvoltage for your peace of mind. The generous 5.9 feet 1.8 m cable provides ample reach, making it easy to charge your device wherever you need it. Its US standard plug ensures broad usability. Your package will contain one replacement charger for your Stanley Fatmax Spotlight. Get ready to power up your flashlight with ease. What we like. This charger provides a convenient USB plug and a generous cable length for easier charging access. It also boasts advanced safety features to protect your device. If you're looking for a practical and safe charging solution with a bit more reach than standard cables, this is a great option. What people say. The spotlight is very bright and has a good beam distance. The charger is compact and easy to store. The battery life is excellent, lasting for several hours on a single charge. Number 2. T-Power Charger for Stanley Fatmax Spotlights. Introducing the T-Power Charger, designed for your Stanley Fatmax spotlights. It provides a robust 12V2A fast charge to keep your devices powered up. Unlike others, our charger features an extra long 6.6-foot cable, giving you more flexibility. Experience faster charging with its 12V2A output. This charger is compatible with a wide range of Stanley Fatmax LED rechargeable spotlights, including models like the SL10 LEDs and SL10 LED-L. With an input voltage range of AC 100V, 240V, it's ready to use wherever you are in the world. Manufactured with the highest quality materials, it includes multiple smart features for protection against incorrect voltage, short circuits, and overheating. Rest assured, this charger is CE and RoHS certified, ensuring it meets high safety and quality standards. What we like. This charger boasts a fast 12V2A output and an impressively long cable, outperforming many competitors. It's built with high-quality materials and multiple safety certifications. If you prioritize rapid charging and need extra cable length for your compatible 12V Stanley Spotlight, this is the superior choice. What people say. The Spotlight is very bright and has a long-lasting battery. It is durable and can withstand rough handling. The charger is efficient and charges the Spotlight quickly. Number 1. Stanley Fatmax USB Spotlight Charger Adapter. Never run out of power for your Stanley Fatmax Spotlight. This adapter provides a stable DC 5V output, ensuring your device is always ready when you need it. With an input voltage range of AC 100V, 240V, this adapter is suitable for use in most regions. It's designed for convenience and global compatibility. Your safety is paramount. This adapter includes overcurrent, overvoltage, short circuit, and overtemperature protection. It's CE FCC RoHS listed for your peace of mind. This 5V USB charger is specifically designed for compatible Stanley Fatmax LED flashlight models with a USB charging port. Please ensure your model is listed for optimal performance. Experience low interference and noise with high efficiency. It operates at low temperatures and is built to last, providing reliable power without compromising safety. This 3-foot power cord offers a convenient length for charging. Its compact design makes it easy to store and use wherever you go. What we like. This adapter is designed for 5V USB charging ports, offering stable output with minimal noise and interference. It includes comprehensive safety protections for secure charging. If your Stanley Spotlight uses a 5V USB input and you value a stable, safe, and quiet charging experience, this adapter is ideal. What people say. It is a good charger. The charger works well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.